Now this is one of my all-time favorites, the Sri Lankan Pumpkin Curry. Deseed the pumpkin. Cut the skin. And then cut the pumpkin into chunks. Wash it really well and rinse with fresh water. Chop up onions and garlic. And yes, you did see the garlic get a good smash to unlock the flavors. Then chop up the green chilli. Add the ingredients into the pounder and pound really well. And now we're ready to cook. Add a sprig of curry leaves into the pumpkin, followed by the spice mix. And then add light coconut milk and take it to the stove. Then add the pounded mix, followed by coconut milk. Stir carefully and add the curry powder. This is best enjoyed with a cup of hot rice.